Hello friends. So talking about loan to value ratio, we have seen how RBI guidelines governs the loan to value ratio where a loanee takes a loan against a property or a commodity which the loanee intends to buy from that loan. So the ratio often is less than 100% and it is considered safe as for instance if we are taking loan of certain amount which is 90% of the value of the property which we are buying, then and the property is being mortgaged to the lender, then in that case the financial institution lending for this is pretty safe as the mortgage is carrying higher value than the loan being given to the loanee. So similar is the case for commodities like gold and all. Against those, if those are mortgaged, those commodities, then a loan of up to 90% is fine. So that is what RBI has increased recently for gold from 75% to 90% LTV. Now, similar we have seen for housing based loans as well earlier, that how it was increased to 90%. Now, one catch here is that the valuation of the property, if we focus upon, there are cases where the valuation is something which is beyond the fundamentals of that property, so it is overvalued, and in that case that may give a wrong indication from the perspective of lenders if they are guided mechanically by these LTV ratios. So similar is the case for gold as well. We have seen recently how the gold price has increased by more than 50%, and that valuation may not be, that is because of the environment, the COVID environment and other things, the US China trade war and other things. In that context, the gold prices have boomed, and that is doing one thing here is that the LTV ratio from the gold backed loans which is being taken by the loanees from the lenders with an LTV ratio of 90%, there's a potential that the gold price may fall down to its real value, to the fundamentals, and that will lead to that has a potential for making the effective LTV more than 100%, and there's a clear case of defaults happening and NPAs being created for the lenders. So it is important to understand that the valuation of the property, whenever it is in a volatile phase, or if we can understand it's something in a booming phase and overvalued, then in that case we need to be very careful on LTV ratios. The lenders and all are to be careful, the RBI in their guidelines are to be careful that the volatility is there and it's not the real price. So it's better to decrease the LTV ratio in these cases, volatile cases. So from that perspective, if we look into the gold thing as well, then it may not be a great idea to increase the LTV ratio by 90%, but other factors might have played for RBI to take such a decision. But from an economist perspective, experts suggest that we need to be careful whenever the asset valuation is overvalued. We need to be careful on these LTV ratio, and mechanically following it may not may create NPAs for the lenders. That's all. Thank you.